So Theunis, first of all, I'd like to say congratulations on finishing your next property, right? So first of all, what I want to ask is what inspired you to get into property investment?
Well, Corey, it meant that I could take care of my future in my own hands, so I could manage my future doing it myself.
Yeah, great, awesome. And how many investment properties do you have at the moment?
Currently 3 and another one on its way, so I'm really excited about that.
Oh, awesome. And what does property investment mean for your future?
It means that it secures my future. So, for the main fact that I'm taking hold of it myself.
Yeah, great.
With the assistance of Infinite Wealth, and I'm securing my future through that.
That's awesome. And would you recommend Infinite Wealth to first-time investors?
Oh yes, of course, they are the best.
Awesome. And what did you like best about dealing with Infinite Wealth?
Oh, definitely their professionalism and the expert knowledge.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much and look forward to working with you in the future.
Thanks, Corey.